Okay, Jeff, that was your pivotal point. Steve, what's your pivotal point from your point? We got a 2-point conversion in a 17-15 game. The Chicago Bears. They come from the line of scrimmage, and this looks to me
Hey,
like
buddy.
2 plays called.
You smile. Where's that big giggle? There it is. Hey, got any more? Got any more?
So he's not blocking anybody. This guy at the end of the line of scrimmage is unaccounted for. We
Hi. Are you enjoying your afternoon with Dad? Are you enjoying your afternoon with Dad?